Hello, I'm Hein, and from this week I'm start to reviewing about the semiconductor fabrication technology. Before I start talking about the fabrication process, this week I want to talk about the basic concept of the fabrication process. Mm, the most important topic we have to know about this process is scaling down. Nowadays, many engineers trying to scaling down the device size. Why we are trying to scaling down the device? Mm, there are some reasons, but the most important reason is the scaling down is directly connected to the corporate's interests. Mm, before we scaling down the device, we try to raise the yield by increasing the size of the wafer. For instance, uh, in small wafer, we can put more. We can put few chips, few dice on the wafer. But when we suppose the wafers, suppose the die size is same, if we increase the size of the wafer, we can put more and more dies in the wafer. So increasing the wafer size is directly lead to the yield, but it does not mean that we can increase the wafer size infinitely, because as we know, in the process, in the fabrication process, continuing the uniformity is very important because it is directly connected to the yield. But when we make too large wafer, it is very hard to keep the uniformity. For instance, in the process we're using plasma, because of the density differences of the plasma, we can make the wafer uniformly. So nowadays the most often using size of the wafer is 300 millimeters, although we have the 450 millimeters wafers too. Mm, Instead of increasing the size of the wafer, we started to scaling down the device. So uh, by the Moore's law, we started to the scaling down of the device, which is called device size, become half than ever every 18 years. But in 2020s, the gate lengths become 10 nanometers, under 10 nanometers. It is very hard to shorten the gate lengths because there are so many short channel effects. So nowadays we are trying to overcome these kinds of problems in various ways. For example, the chemical or mechanical method. So from now we are studying about the fabrication process, and in each process we are have to study how we shorten the channel length, which is gate length, gate length 2. Today I talk about the purpose of scaling down and from now we are talking about the we are start we are have to study about the verification process, which is directly connected to the gate length, channel length. Thank you for listening to today's story. Thank you.